Strategic management in government. What is strategic management? Strategic management in government involves the application of strategic planning and management principles to enhance the effectiveness, efficiency, and responsiveness of public administration. It is a structured approach that aligns an organization's resources and actions with its mission and objectives, ultimately contributing to improved public service delivery. Here are key components and considerations related to strategic management in government: strategic planning, stakeholder engagement, performance measurement, resource allocation, risk management, strategic communication, innovation and technology, change management, collaboration and partnerships, ethical and legal compliance, continuous monitoring and evaluation, the sustainability and capacity building. Strategic management in government involves the application of strategic planning. First is the vision mission. Define the organization's vision and mission to articulate its purpose. Another is the SWOT analysis, conducting a comprehensive analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to inform strategic decision-making. The goals and objectives, which establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or the SMART, goals and objectives aligned with the organization's mission. Stakeholder engagement. Identify and engage with key stakeholders, including citizens, civil society, and other government agencies. Stakeholder engagement solicits input from stakeholders to ensure that strategic priorities align with the needs and the expectations of the community. Performance measurement. Develop key performance indicators to measure progress toward strategic objectives. Implement performance management systems to track and evaluate organizational performance against established benchmarks. Resource allocation within government. Set priorities and distribute funds in a way that is consistent with strategic objectives. It allocates resources as efficiently and effectively as possible to meet corporate objectives. Risk management in strategic management. Determine any risks or uncertainties that could affect the accomplishment of strategic goals. It creates risk reduction plans to lessen the adverse effects of hazards that have been identified. Strategic communication in government. Create a communication strategy to inform internal and external stakeholders of the organization's strategic goals and actions. To increase trust and involvement, promote an environment of openness and honesty. Innovation and technology. Leverage technology and embrace innovation to improve organizational efficiency and service delivery. It uses digital tactics to increase accessibility, expedite procedures, and support data-driven decision-making. Change management. Put change management procedures in place to handle organizational changes brought forth by strategic initiatives. Employees should receive assistance and training to help them adjust to changing work practices. Collaboration and partnerships in strategic management is to tackle difficult challenges, encourage cooperation with non-governmental groups and business sector and other government departments, to form strategic alliances to take advantage of shared knowledge and resources. Ethical and legal compliance in strategic management. Ensure that strategic initiatives adhere to ethical standards and legal requirements, incorporate ethical considerations into decision-making processes and organizational culture. Continuous monitoring and evaluation regularly monitor progress toward strategic goals and evaluate the effectiveness of implemented strategies. Use feedback and evaluation results to make informed adjustments and improvements to the strategic management process. Sustainability in strategic management. Consider the long-term impact and sustainability of strategic initiatives. It integrates environmental, social, and economic considerations into strategic decision-making. Capacity building invests in the development of organizational capabilities and the skills of employees to support the successful implementation of strategic initiatives. Importance of strategic management in government. Alignment with public interest. Ensuring that government actions, policies, and decisions are in line with the needs, values, and expectations of the public they serve, ultimately aiming to benefit society as a whole. In optimal resource allocation, it involves efficiently distributing limited resources such as budget, personnel, and technology to achieve the maximum impact and address key priorities and challenges effectively. For enhanced policy formulation, improving the process of developing policies by incorporating strategic thinking, evidence-based analysis, and stakeholder input to create well-informed, effective, and sustainable solutions to complex societal issues. Adaptation to changing environments. Governments must be able to adjust their strategies, policies, and operations to respond effectively to evolving circumstances, including changes in technology, demographics, economics, and the environment. Another importance of strategic management is to improve service delivery. The focus here is on enhancing the quality, accessibility, efficiency, and responsiveness of public services to better meet the needs and expectations of citizens and communities. Another is the accountability and transparency. Government should be able to accountable for their actions and decisions, and transparency is key to ensuring that citizens have access to information about government activities, decision-making processes, and outcomes. For effective governance and decision-making, this involves establishing mechanisms and processes to facilitate informed, timely, and inclusive decision-making, as well as fostering a culture of good governance characterized by integrity, ethics, and effectiveness. Stakeholder engagement and collaboration. Engaging with diverse stakeholders, including citizens, civil society organizations, businesses, and other government agencies, fosters collaboration, partnership building, and shared ownership of issues and solutions, ultimately leading to more effective outcomes. For crisis preparedness and response, governments need to be prepared to handle crises effectively, including natural disasters, public health emergencies, and other unforeseen events by developing robust contingency plans, mobilizing resources, and coordinating response efforts. Another importance is the long-term planning and development. The long-term planning involves setting strategic goals and priorities, anticipating future trends and challenges, and developing comprehensive strategies to promote sustainable development and prosperity over time. The promotion of innovation, encouraging innovation, within government leads to the development and adoption of new ideas, approaches, and technologies that improve efficiency, effectiveness, and responsiveness in delivering public services and addressing societal challenges. For the citizen-centric governance, placing citizens at the center of governance means prioritizing their needs, preferences, and participation in decision-making processes with the aim of fostering trust, accountability, and responsiveness in government actions and policies. Overall, the strategic management in government, when implemented effectively, can lead to transformative changes, fostering a more responsive, efficient, and accountable public service. Thank you.